In today's digital world, many people use the internet for school, communication, and entertainment. Because of this, we often see links, ads, and messages online. The reminder, think before you click, is very important to keep us safe while using the internet. Think before you click means stopping for a moment to check if a link or message is safe before clicking it. Some links may lead to scams, viruses, or fake websites that try to steal personal information such as passwords, names, or bank details. Fake news and misleading posts can also spread quickly if people click and share without thinking. By thinking first, we can avoid danger. Online, we should check the sender of the message, look for spelling mistakes, and avoid clicking links from unknown sources. If something looks suspicious or too good to be true, it's better to click, not to click it. In conclusion, think before you click helps protect your privacy, devices, and personal information. Being careful online makes the internet a safer place for everyone.